Hi, everyone. So by now, you are starting to get a handle on all of the elements of the EI Challenge. We are so grateful that you are here with us, and I wanted to share a few reminders that may help you and your teammates related to Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is where you and your teammates will spend a majority of the time communicating, making decisions, and working together. If you are using Microsoft Teams on a desktop, the EI Challenge will be one of your teams or channels. If you click on this channel, you will be directed to the General section. And then on the left side of your screen, you will have access to a specific team. The other coaches and myself will use the General channel to post updates for everyone throughout the entire challenge. The specific team groups, those are for you and your team members to communicate and discuss your specific team efforts. On a mobile device, Teams can look a little different, but you still have the same channel options at the bottom of your screen, as well as specific group options. If at any time you need help, just use the @ button to tag one of the coaches, or you can use the @ function to tag everyone in your group or a specific team member. Have fun with Microsoft Teams. Good luck in the EI Challenge.